They often say read all about it, but Paul, we've got our own publication here. Isn't that going a little bit backwards because we use the internet so much now?
Well, you're right. I mean, the internet is huge. I mean, that's where MTD was founded and that's where MTD is going. I mean, we get 500,000 people a month on our channels. It doesn't get much bigger and better than that, but it doesn't mean that there isn't a place for something in print or a publication like this, especially when it's dedicated to an event that's coming up like MACH 2018.
And it is one of the biggest events going for this industry.
It is, and we recognise that about 25,000 engineers will visit the MACH show, and they're going to walk through the entrances, of which this year there's a few different entrances, and they will be presented, or they will be able to pick up a copy of the MTD publication. But what's very different about the MTD publication is everything is unique to MTD. So you've done a piece in it.
Yeah, I have. I've done a piece on women in manufacturing, and I was inspired by the ladies that I spoke to. So I'm not going to give too much away, but I hope you'll be inspired as well. So it's a really nice publication, to be honest.
And it is, and we travel around, well, we were talking the other day, around about 40 to 50 engineering companies. We go around every month filming, talking to them about their experiences, talking to them about what they think about the economy, anything to do with cutting tools, tooling, automation, and that is actually going to be housed in here as well in print. We've written all about it. As I say, you won't find any of those stories that are in here in any other publication. And it ties into digital as well, which I'm sure.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. How's the link? Because you're saying, we've got this internet here and it's really busy and we're getting so many people visiting, but where's the link?
Well, the link is really that firstly, we've got a very, very good, clean database, a postal database, which we've worked on. And to be honest, a lot have been opted into this database to receive information from MTD. So it's got and they'll be driving people back to the website. I mean, every story in here has a relative video based on our channel. So you can read about it and then you can directly go and watch it. So you've got the choice of two.
Perfect. Well, I look forward to hopefully seeing you at MACH Show, and maybe we can do a video of reviews of people who have read the publication too.
Of which I'm sure there'll be thousands. So if you do want to register for a copy, this is the MTD MACH 2018 publication. Click the link below and we look forward to seeing you at the event.
Yeah.